trying to do this so I can get as much light on these things as possible for you guys. And I'm also trying not to touch anything because there's a lot of fragile little parts. They're all hand painted. They're all pretty detailed, and none of them seem to be complete. Now I think these three are Tamiya. We'll find out when we get there. Lots of rubber treads. I think this guy was missing a wheel. Yep, and there goes the... What's that? It's a gang box of some sort. Shit. So that's Italaiere, 1988. I believe this one is the same. Italaiere. Not the same tank, obviously. No brand on that. They've got really detailed, really well painted. Somebody definitely had serious hobby. This one's pretty beat up, lots of parts. Oh, jeez. Some sort of Navy plane. I think it's got a weight in it. This thing's really cool. Again, trying not to damage it with my hands. That's a really neat little piece. Is that a bridge layer or something like that? Whoop. I have to grab that. Don't worry, I'll grab it. It'll be in the box. It's right there. Oh, there might be a little motor in this guy. I'm not sure. It is a little heavier. This one's really well done. Oh, wow. That's awesome. So again, a lot of them are really incomplete. There's a lot of parts. We're going to get to that. But lots of detail. Shoot, there's parts falling out of these things. Alright, we got that one. Okay, so this one definitely has a motor in it. That's heavy. This is going to be the Tamiya. Yes. Okay. So then the other one might also be Tamiya. I'm not sure. That's this guy. Alright, and I believe this dude. You can see the motor under there. It's Tamiya. This is, jeez Louise. Alright, 2 pieces down now. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 Tamiyas. And then with that one, oh jeez Louise. That one has a motor. And then you've also got this little dude, that little dude, that little dude, that little dude, that little dude. A gun for another one that's not here. Can't do anything about the light. The sun moved. But lots of little parts. I grabbed every little tiny piece of plastic that was in the box with them. It's all going to go in a baggie. The best I can do there. But pretty nice lot. I'm going to wrap them all individually, and we'll hope for the best in shipping.